Hey guys. All right. We are still working on two-syllable words. Let's go ahead and check out our target. All right. Here's our target for today. Same as all week. I can read and spell words with two closed syllables. I told you that in the next few weeks, we're going to be learning about a lot of different syllable types. But this week, we're doing the easiest syllable type, which is a closed syllable. A syllable is each part of the word that has a vowel sound in it. In a closed syllable, the vowel is closed in by a consonant, so it's making its short sound. So all of our closed syllables this week will be making it their short sound. All right, yesterday we worked on being sleuths. That's like a detective to figure out clues in hard words. Well, I say hard. They're really not hard. Not once you know how to be a detective. All right, so today you're going to get a new story to read. But before you get that new story to read, I want to go through some of the words that are going to be in the story to make sure you can use your sleuthing skills to be a good detective and figure those words out. Because good readers don't guess. They use their clues to figure it out. And one of the ways we can figure out long words is to find those syllables. If we can read each syllable, then we can put them together and read the whole word. All right, so if we're being sleuths on this word, I want you to be a sleuth on this word. Remember, first clue is the vowel sounds. Second clue is where you split it. Third clue is read each syllable, and then you can figure out the word. So do your sleuthing skills on this word and figure it out. You can just point to the screen. You can cover up each syllable however you want to do it to figure it out. Did you get it? If you didn't, press pause. But let's figure it out. We've got a short vowel sound here. That's like up. And we've got another vowel sound over here. That's the short E, like the edge of your desk. Now, so that was our first clue, the vowel sounds. Now, the second clue is to split the syllables. Now, I see two consonants here, so I know I can split right there. Okay, now I've got all my clues in. I can read each part and put it together. Sun, set, sunset. Good, you know what a sunset is, right? It's when the sun is setting. All right, let's do the next one. The next one, I see the same vowel two times. So you only have to even figure out one vowel sound because there's two of the same ones. And they're both like I'm so itchy. Okay, so I figured out my vowel sounds. Now I need to figure out where to split it. Oh, I see two consonants here, so I can split up right there. And now I have two syllables. I have I'm looking for my pen. Here we go. Stretch it with me. Pick, nick, picnic. Have you ever been on a picnic? That's like when you go eat lunch outside. You might bring some sandwiches. All right, let's do the next one. Okay, I want you to press pause and do your sleuthing skills on this word and figure it out. Okay, if you didn't figure it out, press pause. Okay, so I'm going to give you the answer now. So I see a vowel sound here, and I see a vowel sound here. I know that this one is a, like an apple, and this one is like the edge of your desk. I see two consonants in the middle right here. So I split them up, and now I have basket, basket. All right, next one. Ooh. All right. I see a consonant blend in the beginning of this word. I bet you can read that consonant blend now. All right, press pause and use your sleuthing skills to figure this out. Press play whenever you're ready for me to give you the answer. All right, did you use your sleuthing skills? Let's figure it out. All right. I see a vowel sound here, and I see a vowel sound here. I've got a, and I've got eh. Okay, so now I need to know where to split it. Can I split it right here? I see two consonants. Can I split it right there? No, because we learned that every syllable has a vowel sound. And if you look right here, this doesn't have a vowel sound. So if I did it like this is not a vowel sound. And there's no vowel sound here, so it can't be a syllable. So that's not right. So I know it's not going to go there. So I'm going to move it over and split it between these two consonants. All right, now we have two short words. We have blanket, blanket, blanket. Now that sounded kind of funny, right? Blanket. We normally say blanket, but the proper way to say it is blanket. Blanket. Do you speak proper like that? I don't. I say blanket. So just remember, blanket is the same as blanket. Okay. Are we done? Are we done? Let's see. Oh, no, we got two more. Okay, I thought this one was really hard because we haven't learned the AR sound, but this word is in your story, so I wanted to go over it. Okay, so I see a vowel sound here and a vowel sound here. And I know I can split it between these two consonants. Now, here's the tricky part. We haven't really learned the AR sound. We've talked about it a little bit in class, but we haven't really focused on it. So if you don't know that the AR sound, you might say mar, and that's not right. Whenever a vowel is next to an R like this, that's called an R-controlled vowel. And we're going to be learning more about that soon. But I just wanted to show you just for this word. This is called an R-controlled vowel. The R is being bossy. It's controlling the A. And now it's making it say it, the R's name, R. So AR says R, R. You might remember one of our sight words. This was one of our sight words that we learned a few weeks ago. That is R. This is AR saying R in both words, okay? So when you get to this word, don't let that trick you. The AR is saying R. There's not going to be any AR words on your test, and you don't have to really remember it right now because we're going to be focusing on it more in a little while. But I wanted you to know it for our story. So in order to read the story, you have to know this. So now that I've found my vowels and I've split it, I can go market, market, market. So this word is market, like I'm going down to the market to get some food to put in my picnic basket. All right, last one. This word is in your story too. And I bet you can figure it out pretty easily how to read it, but I thought maybe you might not know what it is. You might not know what this word means. So do some sleuthing and figure out this word. Press pause while you figure out this word with your sleuthing skills. All right, did you figure out what this word is? Do you know what that word means? I bet you don't know what it means. Let's do some sleuthing together. I see a vowel right here, and I see a vowel sound here. I know that I says I, like I'm itchy, and O says ah, like an octopus. And then I know I can split the word right here between these two consonants. And now I can read the two short words. I have crimson, crimson. Crimson is like red. It's like a red color, crimson, crimson. So when you see the word crimson in your story, you're going to know that it means red, red. Like if I was going to use it in a sentence, I might say, this dot is crimson. All right, we are done with our words. Now I want you to practice reading the story. Now, this story is on your homework. You should get your homework page every week. If you don't have your homework page, you can just come back to this video and watch this video and read it each night, because we have to read our decodable reader to make us be faster readers. This book will make us be faster readers, because when you first read this book, you might read it slow. When you first read the story, you might read it slow. But after a while, you should get faster and faster. So reading these books will help you get faster. Some of y'all might have an actual book, but if you don't have the book, you can just, I typed it up right here, so you can just read it off the screen. So press pause and read it off the screen. All right. If you're not done reading it, you need to press pause until you're done. Are you done reading it? All right. Now let's read it together. So this is an exclamation mark right there. So I know I have to read this sentence like I'm excited. Grab a picnic basket, said Dad. Now I see a question mark, so I have to read it like a question. Why? Asked Sam. You will see, said Dad. Grab 2 napkins, said Dad. Why? Said Sam. You will see, said Dad. Grab a blanket, said Dad. Why? Asked Sam. You will see, said Dad. I got a sandwich. We should have went over that word. That one's kind of hard. Sandwich from the market. I got a sandwich from the market, said Dad. We will split it. Look at that word split. I don't know about y'all, but the kids in my class had a hard time with this 3 blends. Split, split, split. It shouldn't be hard. If you know SP says sp, sp, and you know PL says pl, pl. Well, it's just those sounds put together. Sp, wool, spl. So spl it. We will split it. Dad and what did I just do? Okay, hang on. Let me erase that. Where was I? Okay, we will split it. Dad and Sam got to the hill. They saw the red sunset. Dad said it was crimson. Ooh, I see another exclamation mark here. I see, said Sam. All right, that is the Sunset Picnic. That's the name of your story this week, the Sunset Picnic. So think about these questions. Why did they need a picnic basket? Why did they need a napkin? Why did they need a blanket? What were they doing? Yeah, they were going on a picnic. Why were they going on a picnic? What did they want to see? Yeah, they wanted to see the sunset. I bet you it was really pretty. All right. Good job, guys. I will see you later. Bye.